Hello, my name is Junsung Park. I studied mechanical engineering in South Korea and computer science at UTRGB. Now I am an MBA student at UTRGB. Today's topic is GPT-driven AI, engine of progress or capitalist of inequality. GPT is not just a tool for creating text. It impacts jobs, productivity, and economics. I will talk about how GPT help economic growth or make inequality worse. Here is the outline of today's presentation. First, what GPT is. Second, how GPT improve productivity. Third, GPT impact on innovation. Fourth, GPT impact on jobs. Then, policy response. Finally, a summary. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is an AI that understands and creates human-like sentences. It learns from lots of text like books and websites. GPT can answer questions, write summaries, and translate languages. New GPT versions like GPT-4o handle not just text, but also images and audio. After GPT was introduced, productivity increased clearly. On average, it improved by 14%. For lower skilled workers, it went up 35%. Writing tasks become 40% faster and improved in quality by 18%. This means we can do more with the same resource. This is called higher productivity in economics. It could increase US economic growth significantly. In fact, this relates to something called total factor productivity. Access GPT doesn't just speed up tasks. It changes how we think and create new ideas. In manufacturing, just 1% more AI used led to 14% higher productivity. GPT helps small business too, not just big companies. This can reduce technology gaps, helping everyone benefit from innovation. In economics, this can lower entry barriers and spread innovation more widely. GPT also puts jobs at risk. Around 300 million jobs worldwide could be automated. Middle-skill jobs are most at risk. Workers who learn new skills benefit, but others could fall behind. This reflects how technology shapes the demand for labor. This could lead to more inequality and income gaps. The impact of GPT depends on worker skills. Jobs with repetitive tasks can be easily automated. Low-skilled jobs are likely to disappear first, and middle-skilled workers face major change. High-skilled workers usually benefit by becoming more productive. This is an example of skill-biased technological change. This can increase the gap between skilled and less skilled workers. We need policies to manage these changes. First, provide better AI education and training. This increases human capital, which is key to long-term growth. Second, create stronger social safety nets like basic income. Third, set clear and fair rules for using AI. Lastly, government, business, and schools should work together to help everyone adapt to AI. To conclude, GPT is a strong tool for growth and innovation, but it can also increase inequality and job loss. To make GPT helpful for everyone, we need good policies and cooperation across society. Technology should create opportunities, not divisions. Basic economic ideas like productivity, labor, demand, and human capital help us understand these changes. These are the key references used throughout this presentation. A full reference list with clickable source is available for follow-up or deeper explanation. Thank you for listening.